Mikä osu?
Peijaksentie 69C.
Hello. Hello. It's a 90s Semag.
Yes.
93.
Press 5.
Built in 1993. 53222.
Nice motor.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yes. One more ride. Full memory.
Yeah. I like these 90s generics because they are quite good. Much better than the new generics.
Yeah. Unsustainability.
4 persons or 25 kilograms.
4 persons. It's bigger than 4 persons.
Yeah, this is the bigger gap. Inspected by Kiva Inspector and maintained by Schindler.
Yeah, it's gonna be inspected next year.
Yeah. And it runs quite good.
Mm-hmm.
Koivukylä, Björkby, Vantaa, Vanda, Finland. And this is actually not far from Pejasvägen.
Let's do a quad.
Where we have an original Semag 1989 elevators. Built in 1993, 4 persons of 295 minutes.
It's not in a good
It's
shape.
not as in as a good shape as the other ones.
That's true.
53224. What is the year here? It's been on something. I don't know when. The late 1990s or 2000s probably.
Yeah.
But it's
Late
still
90s.
late 90s, yes. The inspection one. Mark. But there is another one next time this year, 2019.
Yeah.
This
It's
one-
a little bit vandalized.
Yeah, and this one has only 5 floors. It's vandalized and they should fix these walls.
That's true.
Maybe just by putting a white new paint on it.
Yeah.
They could do that. Then this would be like in prime shape.
Yeah.
So these are so ugly, these texts.
Hmm.
You think 1 night is enough for?
Yeah, I think I'm satisfied.
Okay.
Alright.
It's probably late 1993, but in 94 I have to check that out.
Bit Peijaksentie maintained by Schindler.
Yes. And today it's the 5th of August 2019.